Hi, welcome back. Aurum here. Today we continue our playthrough in Honkai Star Rail version 4.2, So Love the Masses. Last time in Honkai Star Rail, we continuing, not we start the Silver Wall point of view, and yes, we hack the system to find about Joy Attendant, and turn out during the whole sequence we talk with Pearl, and turn out the Pearl that accompanying Silverwolf is Aha themselves. Well, Aha quotation mark, so I don't know if this is a full Aha or a fraction of Aha. I just something that I told myself, a fraction of Aha, because the Aha in my mind are a multiple face Aeon, as in it has multiple mind, and this is one of them. Is what I'm saying. I don't know. That's just my theory. So I guess remember the scene that with Hibana, with Hanabi in their own VOV at the end before it got cut. So that is Aha then. Now it's confirmed. The one behind Fulvis is Aha. So I was right that someone is behind Fulvis. I assume it was someone related to destruction, like maybe Svantalia or Selenova. I don't think it's Suhu, because again, Suhu is not. We only have Suhu cell, so it's not really a complete thing. But what I didn't expect is that Aha themselves are behind Fulvis, which means everything that Fulvis said is true. The Master of Elation is really talking to Fulvis. Are you saying this whole plan has been going on since 15 years ago? Is this something that I'm afraid of? So remember Evanesia in the last video, I think part 8, when Evanesia talked with Yoguang, she mentioned that once the game starts, it will not end until the winner or something. And we remember I said something during that whole dialogue. I said, if that's the case, then why did the game 15 years ago end? Unless it's not. For the past 15 years, we're still in the same Phantasmal game. I guess. I think, maybe. So this whole thing with Aha, the reason why Aha decided to do this, I guess, because the last Phantasmal game didn't end the way Aha won the whole thing with Herald of Death. I still want to know the exact Herald of Death backstory, like how Herald of Death become a thing, like what happened there in 15 years ago. We still don't have that explanation. Anyway, so yeah, the whole Fulvis thing happened for 15 years. Interesting. So a lot of things that now I'm a bit confused because of this revelation. The thing that I keep saying this during the speech that Fulvis has in 4.1, where Asvel and Kuchiba, remember that scene in the bridge in Dual Dimension? Fulvis mentioned about the old lady thing. Remember that? I don't exactly remember exact wording, but is that real or just fabricated story then? I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, during the whole thing with Aha and Silver Banter, at the end, they still to be continued, so we don't know what happened with them, but we know what's gonna happen actually, because of the Silver Wolf banner, the Emanator of Elation. So I still don't know how did Aha made her the Emanator. I want to know, like, usually Emanator, well, we have a description for Emanator actually. It said that being Emanator doesn't mean that the person of the one who being Emanator agree to become Emanator, just like how Acheron did. But I feel like in this case, Silverwolf is the other way around. She become the Emanator of Elation, even though Aha doesn't choose her or something. Unless, I don't know, we will see. after that scene, we back to our character in the tower, and then yes, we gonna confront Fulvis, which mean, yeah, this is gonna be the final fight in 3.4.2. What am I saying? So yeah, we almost the end. Then I feel like this is faster than the last one, unless this battle. I feel like this is the last video. Maybe one more after this epilogue. So before we leave Himiko behind. Is it foreshadowing? I hope nothing happened to Himiko, by the way. Because I don't think, I mean, the mob is not that hard to deal with anyway, so yeah. Not to mention, remember Yogwang and Avanesia said they're gonna help the other, which means I assume it was us that they're gonna help, so I guess the reinforcement will come and help Himeko, probably. Anyway, that's where we end, so we're gonna confront Fulvis now. So I still don't know why Aha do all of this. Again, my assumption is because of 15 years ago, but we will see. Or maybe, again, I guess it's a cumulative option. One of the reason probably our wish, Trailblazer wish, the whole joke thing, to make Aha a leader, a front line of this coalition against destruction. I mean, if you think about it, Aha didn't do anything, I guess, when destruction, Antimatter Legion attack Benzai Tengoku millennia ago, right? So I guess Aha doesn't really care about that. So I don't know, we'll see how Aha... Also, Aha is the first Aeon who have a conversation with us, like an actual conversation, unlike the other Aeon. The closest one, I guess, Fully, but then we know that Fully is not a single entity. And the one we talk with, not talk with, the one who talked to us is this Kirene, the Fully as Kirene. From us, our perspective, it always have this image of a blue thing and talking in weird. But in Kirene perspective, it just she say something. Aha, it's different. It's actually a conversation level thing with this Aha. So maybe Aha is the most human, not human, the most, you know what I mean, unlike the other Aeon. So now I want to see the connection between Aha and Akifili in the past. Anyway, that's something, I don't know if you're gonna see that. By the way, I want to talk with Avanesia. Are you saying the same thing now? Okay, the same thing still. By the way, I just said at the end of the video, this thing changed. I wonder what happened after the final fight. Probably another change. This is, I think, the first time that this thing changed before the story end. Anyway, let's move to a new subtitle, a generative grammar of liquid modernity. What is this supposed to mean? I don't know. Every single subtitle so far have unique. Maybe all of the subtitle, the mission name, is pretty much a reference or something about something I never heard about. Because again, a lot of reference in Hoyo game. Not just Hoyo game, in Gacha, in any game actually. Sometimes the developer just knew about something and then they want to add it into the game and then they just did. Anyway, what am I saying? Find a way to live here. The elevator out of commission and the stairs are blocked off. Gotta find a way, run them, and keep moving. So that's our target. As I remember, when we leave this area, the monster is actually present. Even though Himiko said she gonna do something about the monster. Are they still here? Yeah, they're still here. Okay. Where are you, Himeko? Oh, before we end, something to read. And I got ambushed. I forgot to use skill.
不朽不滅をもって発光をかける。
Well, it's fine, I guess. Can deal with this.
反抗陽動霊落思考を広げる夢中になっちゃえ美しいそう思い出はすべて
This is the best way
さざ波になるの
to cut them. Pre-op. Wait a minute. This is something that I read before. The thing that we, the Sunday. Let's see. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, this is the thing we read. So it's something we need to text still, even though we read it through Sunday dialogue.
タワーの中は僕たちでどうにかしよう。
Uh-huh. I thought the elevator is broken. I mean, out of
こ
commission.
の世で初めてのことなどそうはありません。二層楽園は最初の被害者ではないのです。
Okay, I also forgot. When will Silverwolf hack this broadcast?
市民から寄せられた情報によれば、ヤリーロ6は列車を見送った後、カンパニーの資産となったとのことです。
Technically, it's not like that, but yeah, in the general term, Jarilo 6 have a partnership with IPC. Yes, I mean that's pretty much most of planet at this point. IPC economy is just across. I mean, even Planacardia technically still with IPC again, so it's nothing to do with Blazer. But let's see what the other thing. Maybe they're gonna talk about Amphorius, because that's where our contribution, I guess, to the society make more wide in news, especially since it's affected whole cluster of star system. So
請求列車にとっては残念でしょうが、この討論はもはやあなた方のパフォーマンスの場ではありません。全市民による審判です。
and not to mention we will have wish power. One of the cutscene when we got our elation power was through full wish power, right? So people will there are still people who believe in us. I don't know what we did, maybe because of the fight with full wish and then realize what is this abomination? Is full wish also an abomination or something? Blah blah blah, and the people realize that and then wish the opposite again. Let's see.
視聴者の皆さん、決して目を離さないでください。
Yep, we won't look away. We will see the truth
余計なこと言わない
soon.
方がいいよ地球の名にふさわしい
Did you say Cocolia or something for a second there?
これが彼女が用意した討論ですか。罠だと分かっていましたが、これほどまでに卑劣とは軽蔑に値
Hey,
します。
I forgot. This guy doesn't know about Aha yet, and Silver, not Silver, and Sparksy and Sparkle has not yet called us about the person behind Full Wish. With me here, the trick won't work, because I'm the
時間稼ぎに
protagonist.
入ったな。これじゃあキリがない。エレベーターは止まってるし、
Can you guys just jump really far away, like in the cutscene?
非常用通路も使えない。
Oh,
時間がない。タワーの外側から登るぞ。
yeah, of course we used the puzzle to, as usual, to when in order to leave the thing. Jump, huh? Oh, the tower meter there, interesting. Gravity line, I see.
州の視聴者から大変な情報が届きました。
彼女がある女性と親しげにしてるのを見たの。
What?
その女性の正体は
But they been mixed up with.
もはや壊滅同盟と言うべきでしょう。
Okay, they're just wrong. Humbling. This one is interesting. Oh, that's the opposite around the flying Trailblazer. We got achievement from this. Okay, a multiple achievement. What's going on? Flying. Anyway, wrong click. Interesting. Okay, this was faster. Usually, so between this is not the last puzzle.
ピノコに言うまでもなくこの人こそが元凶。
Okay, this one is probably Sunday thing. Okay.
彼は
Finally, Silver Wolf hack.
おや、
回線を切った。
Oh, never mind.
どうせ同じ話の繰り返しだ。静かにしてもらおう。
ありがとうございます。
Because it's sunny.
しかし、いささか静かすぎるような。
Wait a minute. Isn't this magical girl? Magical girl?
あ
Oh, so a magical girl actually Imaginai then.
あ、
I
こ
thought
の
it
階に
was
は何かいる。
someone we're gonna be playing with, you know, in the future. I guess
そ
not.
れもただものじゃない。
I really want to see
僕
if
の腕が
they're
動き
gonna
出した
release magical girl as a playable character, whoever that is. What if magical girl Himeko? Anyway, what am I saying? Himeko is too old. You know what I mean.
先に来てた魔法少女吸収劇団も漫画に。
Yeah,
業
oh,
が
it
深い
is
な。
a troop. Wait, are we gonna have playable magical girl? Oh, another book. I see book. I click. Usually the book connect to whatever happened currently. Approaching science, a mysterious. Oh, Dark Zone. Something we just seen a few moments ago. This document was automatically summarized and generalized by intelligent web crawler. Okay, I'm gonna skim reading this as usual because it is long. Uh-huh. Okay. Oh, yep, we know the speed of light. This mean surface. Uh-huh, yeah. Lighter network. Okay. Okay, yeah. Uh-huh. Wait, there are second law of thermodynamics in Star Rail. How did they know about this law? This is Earth law anyway. Blah, blah. Yeah, entropy stuff. Midas. Midas is aeon of something. I don't remember. Equilibrium, I think. Right? I don't remember. It's been a while. But other way, yes, finally, dark zone. To use a metaphor, is a black hole within the ether. I see. Unlike black hole in real space, dark zone is extremely unstable. Constantly born, destroy, born again. Interesting. Divergent view for one issue, dark zone, and blah blah blah. Again. Wait a minute, Midas is the aeon of finality? In other words, they essentially believe that the Dark Zone has sculpted the universe into a form in which Midas can intervene. If this holds true, then in the distant future, even after the finality has reached its final, it isn't possible that Midas could reboot the universe once more. That might just be the most mysterious and alluring aspect of the Dark Zone. Then who is the Equilibrium? Oh? Wait, Midas, Mythos, finality. I'm asking that before. I just don't remember who the Aeon of Finality. And then the answer just in the next video. Midas. Again, the same description. Okay. There again, follower of the abundant. Wait, is that? What you gonna see? What? What you gonna see? Who is that? Is that?
どこへ消えた？
What do you mean? This is everyone lying on the floor. Pom pom.
ほう、待ち伏せか。
永遠の一
これはひどい。突っ切るぞ。
Yes,
気
I'm.
をつけろ。扉の向こうに誰かいる。
Let's look like Blade.
どうしてここに？
What do you mean? Oh. Let's look like Blade. Let's see. Yeah, that's Blade. I thought Blade was with Dan Heng. Where's Dan Heng then?
そうか。この状況で影響を受けない方がおかしい。
What do you mean?
なあ、今のオタクは王政か？
Oh, interesting.
それとも出骨か？
Interesting. We will get Blade new from. What is that sound effect? Yes, you are Blade, we know.
なら問題ないな。
What's going on? It's supposed to be a joke. Anyway,
私に任せてください。もしかしたら、いや、その必要は
yes, finally, Dan Heng. I know you with that Blade. Tanko, it's been a while. How have you been? Tanko, maybe you should help Himeko back down. Yeah, we haven't seen Dan Heng like in forever.
ああ、姫子さんと会った時、
Oh, I
お
see.
前を助け
So
てほ
the
しいと頼まれたんだな。
I expecting the reinforcement gonna be Yo Guang and Evanesia. Okay, Blade and Dan Heng makes sense. So where is Himeko then? Why Himeko not here if you are following us? And how did you come here first before us? That's weird. We use a special shortcut area anyway.
だいぶ落ち着いた。
Okay. Okay, it is foreshadowing for 4.3 dan Mortenax Blade stuff, I think.
妙だな。発作は起きなかったのか？
いや、最初の厄災の時は理性を失いかけていた。激闘の末、それなりの代償は払ったが、高校将軍が王政の作った品を見せたことで、
What?
ようやく正気を取り戻したんだ。
Handforged token?
性格ハンターの計画上、ジンはここにいる必要があるらしい。
Oh, the script again. I wanna know the script.
それは
The script is the
漫画を
developer, I
止める
guess.
ことにも関係するのでしょうか。ああ、マンガンは北条を利用しようとしているが、もう一人の出骨の宿主が幻月遊戯に参加しているとは考えていないだろう。
Wait a minute. Participate? I don't think Blade is a supplicant, but I mean, Full Wish knew because Aha knew about Stallone Hunter. Anyway, let's see.
彼女にできることは、やり方さえ変えればジンにもできる。きっかけがあれば、ジンは
Oh,
仮
I
面を奪う。
see. That's what you mean. Because of the Suhu technically are the one who are a supplicant. Then Blade can be a supplicant as well, replacing Full Wish. So now, my question is answer that I hope every single every single supplicant will be a playable character. So I guess we know now. It's something that I keep asking before. Why did Blade didn't become a supplicant? Not to mention, he is one of the character that, I mean, Yoguang as well. She not a supplicant, I guess, but and nihility. Nihilux. What am I saying? Nihility. Anyway.
それで20万人救える。
So that's the goal. I see.
別の可能性。全員
Okay.
がオタクの手にかかって死ぬ。という可
And
能
also,
性を否
yeah,
定できる。
remember what Silver Wolf said that they don't really care. At least Silver Wolf doesn't care about what happened to Valkyria. The reason why they're here, if not for the whole thing in Valkyria, then probably they have another mission. Maybe Aha specifically is their goal. I don't know. I don't know the script, so I don't know.
カンパニーなら間違いなく牢屋送りにしてただろうな。だが、今はオタクに全てを託そう。一般人に罪はない。
彼らは今も暴力で真実を隠蔽しようとこちらに向かっています。ですが思い通りにはさせません。
This is technically true.
優越を汚すなど
Election is behind all of this, in a sense.
皆さんに感謝します。ハッピースマイル研究会の皆さん。
What is sentence in gold? Is this important?
どうして会場に観客がいる？マンガン、完全に狂ったか？
Oh, there are people. Okay, that's why it's gold. Because there are people here.
普通の人間ではありません。ほとんどが変異しています。
I don't see anything. Just
やはりマンガンには
glowing.
彼らを操る力があるようです。しかし、公の放送では避けていたはず。
カンパニーに痛めつけられた彼らは心の渇望に従って正義の側へと戻ってきたのです。
もう回復しただと？早すぎやしないか？
幸せな人が死ぬわけないでしょ。
こいつらもう行かれてね。
そうでなくちゃな。自業自得だ。
厄介だな。これ以上長引くと本当に倒せなくなる。包囲を突破する。行くぞ。
竜の方向。
どうして笑わない思考の喜び。
反抗、陽動、霊落。花々よ、咲いて。思考を広げて、崩れちゃえ。
その笑顔は
名ばかりの偽善者。
君たち
前よりも手強くなった。
Oh, live stream.
眼力の影響だ。視聴者や観客の視線が力だからな。
ひらげごま、夢中になっちゃえ。
天地を支える。不朽不滅をもって発光をかける。問題ない。受け切れる。
乗ってる？反抗、陽動、霊落。記憶は流れ星を待ってる。愛で私を心に刻んで。世界を望み通りに。瞬き禁止よ。世界を望み通りに。壊滅の結末を書き換えましょう。
世界は美しい。
仕方ない。僕が残ってしんがりを務めよう。
Yep, we have too many people going up, so need to let someone behind.
それこそ相手の思うツボです。バラバラに動いては不
Uh,
利になります。
so 3 on 3 or 2 on 3? The thing I remember is when we face against Full Wish, the people that are with us, I think it was Evanesia and Blade, if I remember.
全員で足止めを食らうよりマシだろう。それにオタクらがいたら僕の腕の見
Oh,
せ所もな
so
い。
the whole shadow thing can only be used if no. But then you used that before on that area. Anyway.
さあ行け。僕は死なない。
シナズさん、あなたの論には穴があります。
Oh, why you
よっ
suddenly
て成
appear?
立しません。
Are you done with the Silver Wolf stuff? Okay, I forgot about yes. His wish.
随分とタイミングよく現れたな。もうピアポイントにでもいるんじゃないのか？
But what? What? No.
あるハッカーに黒幕の追跡を依頼したのですが、
Oh,
彼女
so
は
yeah,
足止めを食らってしまったようです。
she's still stuck.
テレビタワーの信号が通信を妨害しています。この通話も長くは持ちません。
こいつらもじきに再生するぞ。
ええ。なので手短に。楽編天人は暗示効果
Okay,
のある
since
情報が
because I think I misunderstand the whole conversation with.
植え付けられた出骨の血肉が活性化したものです。
Okay, so I think when we start, when Silverwolf enter the hacking thing, at first it was actually Pearl, but then remember during in the midway the glitch, but Silverwolf say nothing, let's just continue. That is the moment that Aha took control over communication and everything else. So that's why Pearl here still knew about the whole Synesthesia beacon, simply because it was actually her at the time anyway. What am I? I thought we know about this. Isn't this the thing we talk about with Yao Guang back then? Except for the frenzy one, the second wave. The thing that we learned from someone else, I believe.
結論、正体不明の力が拡散させています。いわば感情の伝染病です。
Emotional plague. Okay, I can assume this is elation.
最悪だ。満願を仕留めるだけでは足りないと。
Oh, I see. I think I understand. So the elation ability we got at the end there in the live stream, that was after we defeat Full Wish, not before. And then the real one we're gonna face using our elation, which is after Full Wish battle. I think.
指を加えて見てるだけか？
私は迷子のハッカーを引き続き追跡します。今はあなた方に彼女を協力させることしかできません。
Her. Who is her? Let's see this. The only character we haven't seen is Nihilux, but I don't think Stella Sacho become part of this thing yet. I don't know what her reason being as part of the playable character, because again, Stella character banner is far in the future, probably 4.4. So let me guess, who is her? Kuchiba? I don't think Kuchiba. I cannot make a guess. Yao Guang, Evanesia. Okay, never mind. It's actually Silverwolf. I thought it was someone else. Wait a minute. IPC Wolf? Excuse me, is this actually Silverwolf or an AI made of what? Yeah, what is this? I thought it was Silverwolf. Okay. It's funny that this data slice has the name level 1999 on the image there. Interesting that she said to do this, even though she can do this on her own, right? Inserting the thing into the terminal. So I mean, how did we get the data in the first place? Anyway, ignore the whole convenient thing. Let's go. What I'm saying is, how did we got the data from Pearl? That's what I'm saying. And then she said, you are the one who will insert the data. Even though if that's the case, then she can do that herself. But I guess for the progression of the story, we don't do that. Team up with IPC Wolf to eliminate potential threat. Use the data slice provided by IPC Wolf to stop the the TV station from continuing the broadcast false information about the Astral Express. So yeah, I thought the hacking thing gonna happen on her own. I guess we are the one who gonna use the data. Sure. Is this the last puzzle? Oops. What did you say?
情緒に変化が見られます。確信は近いようです。
こっちこっち。Do we have secret? No. What, the giant speed boost? The one we discover. Wrong click. The one we discover around Cardia CS 4.2. Because I don't think I saw. Again, I said this before. I don't see this cube thing before. A bootleg. What? Mass produce? You need anyway. The Silphob agree to that. I miss that thing. Why I cannot? I need to redo this next. I at least I know now that this puzzle have percentage. So if I didn't do it 100%, then I can just retry again. Even though I don't know what we get if you 100% the thing. Yeah, I forgot about magical girl. New area. I know new area, new equipment, new relic. What did you say? Weird scene. Okay. Wrong click. This is Aha voice.
Hm? どうやらこれがパールさんが言っていた正体不明の力のようですね。
Aha themselves. I don't know why they did this. Well, I know why they did this, but you know, I want to know from their own more.
あれは共感覚ビーコンから生まれた現像種かと20万に及ぶ被害者たちの生越者の仮面です。
Is this not the real Aha? Then, what? Am I?
楽変天人が戦うほど強くなったのも肉体が強化されたわけじゃなくてこの黄色い
I think what the kiddie one, the mini kiddie, not the Mr. Mini.
彼らを排除しない限りマンガンを止めることはできません。
What about Aha then? I don't know.
分析なんてしちゃってさ、無駄な抵抗なんてやめとけよ。頭からこの方が幸せだろう。
まず目の前の問題を片付けよう。目に見えるものならいくらでも料理の使用があるはずだ。
They're saying if it's invisible, then it's invisible to beat. Impossible.
みんな動かないでくれ。傷つけたくない。
Oh, is the shadow thing? Finally?
お嬢さん。
Oh, where am I? Am I invisible? Are? Did Aha able to do this? Interesting.
お前も気づいたか。一人ずつ互いの姿が見えなくなっている。
Well, technically it's not, but
どういうこと？
あなたたちですね。
気に入ってもらえたかな。俺たちは互いを見ないから、俺たちの心には俺しかいない。自意識過剰ってやつさ。つまり誰も見えない。
見えるかどうかは重要ではありません。最上階で合流しましょう。
interesting. I'm the only one who disappeared. Although it was, I mean, and of course there are any other around.
最上階？もう手遅れだ。
When you will become, when you gives me elation, I thought you are I don't know. Now I don't know if the thing is Mr. Mini not Aha.
仲間がすぐそばにいるのに孤独に不幸だね。そして最高に笑える。
消えた。何が起こってるの？
That's a good translation. Okay. Are you actually Imaginai or Aha? Hey, what the heck are you? I mean, Aha, I guess. Wish power also a malice. I mean, depending on the wish. If you wish a bad thing, then I guess you can count that as a malice. You mean, Aha? Unless it is the Batas Moon, not Aha. My face is one of the infinite joy, and joy is Aha, I assume. So I think what I said is correct, unless that's not what this sentence mean. I said that this emote is one of many Aha face. Anyway. What's going on? Well, how you didn't recognize Silverwolf? You are the one with her before.
適当なこと言っちゃって。私を裁いてみなよ。できるもんならだけど。
So is everyone still here? Is Silverwolf also seeing the other, or the other also see Silverwolf?
悪玉シリーズって結構いるんだね。
Oh, family, huh? So multiple. Great Wolf, when did you get here? I mean, your projection at least.
私のデータを無断使用してるやつがいるって聞いた
Oh,
から
I mean,
鉄拳制
that's
裁
that's
しに
bro,
来たの
not me.
ついでにあなたに恩を売っておこうと思って。
お前の情報を1ビット残らずフォーマットして泣き声すら上げられないようにしてやる。
そう焦らないで。すぐに悪玉さんのところに送
Oh,
ってあ
I
げ
see.
る。
So it's different. Mr. Mini is the other. Yeah, aha. So this is not Mr. Mini.
ねえ、あなたみたいなボスが出てくるのってどんなタイミングだと思う？
Optional.
そんなのこれし
Okay,
かない。
tutorial.
チュートリアルだよ。
I guess optional is a good boss, you know,
こん
because
な子供騙しで得意になってる
Whoa. What? Capsule. That's the real Silver Wolf.
倒すの
What's
は
going
簡
on?
単だけど、せっかくだし差を教えてあげる。
Level 99. What is this point of view? Level 230. Is this how she level up? So how did this have anything to do with Emanator of Elation? I don't understand.
まだ勝てると思ってる？
Am I inside the phone? Am I good?
性格ハンターのターンは終わり。よく見てて。あなたを倒すのは最後のダークゾーンの帝王。
What? Meow. And then connection issue after that. So yeah, how did I still don't know? Is she actually Emanator or not? I don't know. I'm confused now. That doesn't really. Hello, connection. I will wait for a second. If this is because of my connection, then there's nothing I can do but stop this video now and then continuing this exact moment after the connection come back. Probably there's no recap because just remember of what happened in 4.0 when we have the same connection issue. I think it is connection issue. So yep, see you in a bit. Until next time, bye.